Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sum a column in Notion. To sum a column in Notion, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing is to sign into Notion. Go ahead and open any browser of your choice and in the search bar type notion.so. Click on it and follow through the necessary prompts to sign in. After signing in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage of Notion where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to sum a column in Notion. The first thing to do is to open your database. It has to be a database. So navigate to the database where you want to sum a column. How do you create a database? First off, this is just an ordinary page, or I'm just going to have to delete all of these things here because I do not need them. So I'm going to show you how to create a database from a page, or I'm just going to head over to a template that has a database and we're going to plunge headlong from there. So from this page, go ahead and use the / and type in database. So it could be database inline or database full page. However, so once you click on that, you see that your data page will be added. So this is it, a data page. So once you're here, ensure that it is on table view. All right, so if you're in a different view, ensure that you have switched to table view. So how do you switch to table view? I'm currently in table view, but if you're in board view, go ahead and click on the plus icon next to the view and select table from the drop down menu. Now this is a table view. Okay, so you're going to have to, the next step is to locate the column you want to sum. So find the column you want to sum, and this column should contain numerical values. It means we have to set a column that allows for numbers. All right, so a column that allows for numbers. Now click on this plus icon at the far right of your column. And once you select the plus icon, it's going to open you up to a window where you can now add a new property. So from this drop down, you're going to have to select number. And now once you select number, that's it. Go X on it, and your number column has now been added. So it has to be a numerical column. Now from this number column, you can now go ahead and add your numbers, the numbers that you want to sum. So let's say that's 40 and 30, 20. So that's pretty much it. So now that we have that already, now click on the column header. Okay, so this is the column header. All right, so this is the column, let's say the column footer. All right, not the column header, right? So select it could be the column header of your own column, but mine is going to be at the footer. Now, once you click on that, you're going to see an option here that says calculate. Okay, now select calculate with a drop down menu in there. Now in the drop down menu that appears, go ahead and select sum. Depending on the version, the terminology might differ slightly. So go ahead and click on options. Mine is in options, so head over to more options and select sum. Now, once you select sum from the list of calculation options, this will automatically calculate and display the total sum of all values in that column at the bottom of the column. This is it, sum 90, and it's accurate. So the sum will appear at the bottom of the column. Ensure the calculation includes all the relevant values. Now, 40 plus 30 plus 20, you agree with me, is 90. That's it, it's accurate. So by following the steps, you can easily sum a column in the Notion database and quickly get the total of numerical values. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.